Welcome today in front of me Asus ROG Phone 5S, and I'll show you how to change gesture sensitivity on this device. So first you should go to the settings app, and now just click to the display section. Now just go a little bit down, and here you'll see the system navigation. Go there, and here on the right side you'll see the settings icon. Go to this icon, and as can you see, we can just change our sensitivity by swapping these blue dots to the right or to the left side, to the high, from the lowest to the highest one, by this way. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.